Good afternoon, I'm Jericho Fernandez, BSCS, to Sir Doc Alagos, Evening Class Online. This is my presentation. It's about operating system. Okay, let's start. Windows 10 versus Windows 11. Overview. This report will be explained the differences between Windows 10 and Windows 11, the top 5 common issues for each operating system, solution to those problems, and other important updates. Introduction. Windows Windows is the most popular operating system developed by Microsoft. Over the years, it has gone through many versions. Two of the most widely used of versions today are Windows 10 and Windows 11. Windows 10 was released in 2015 and became very popular because of its compatibility with other hardware and stability. Windows 11, on the other hand, was officially released in 2021 and introduced a, mod- a modern design, improved performance, and stronger security features. Key differences between Windows 10 and Windows 11. Number 1. Interface and design. Windows 10 uses the traditional interface with a left-aligned start menu and sharp-edged windows. Windows 11 has modern design with a centered start menu, rounded corners, new icons, and cleaner look. Number 2, performance in gaming. Windows 10 work well on both old and new computers. Windows 11 is designed for newer hardware. It includes features like direct storage, faster game loading, and auto HDR for better graphics. Number 3, system requirements. Windows 10 supports older processor and does not require advanced hardware. Windows 11 requires TPM 2.0, secure and boot, and newer processor, which means not all old computers can upgrade. Number 4, support and updates. Windows 10 will continue to receive updates until October 14, 2025. After that, Microsoft will stop providing security patches. Windows 11 will continue to receive updates and is considered the main operating system for the future. Built-in features. Windows 10 includes Cortana Task View and Basic Virtual Desktop. Windows 11 improves multitasking with Snap Layouts, integrates Microsoft Teams in the taskbar, and allows support for Android apps through the Amazon App Store. Top 5 common issues and how to resolve them. Windows 10's common issue. Number 1. Slow boot time. Some users experience long startup times. Solution: disable unnecessary startup program using Task Manager. Number 2. Windows update failures. Updates sometimes fail to install. Solution: run the Windows after troubleshooter and clear update cache. Windows 10's common issue. Number 3. Blue screen of death. BSOD. Errors caused by drivers or hardware. Solution: update or reinstall drivers, run memory diagnostics, and check hardware. Wi-Fi connection problems. Device may fail to connect to networks. Solution: reset the network's adapter or reinstall Wi-Fi drivers. Number 5, high disk usage. 100% this problem. The system slow down because of the background processes. Solution: disable Windows search of supertext services and scan for malware. Windows 11 common issue. App com- compatibi- App compatibility issue. Some older programs do not run properly. Solution: use compatibility and or virtualization software. Number 2, taskbar limitation. Unlike Windows 10, the taskbar is less customization. Number 3, install third-party tools like Start 11 or Explorer Patchers. Number 3, beat taskbar limitations. Unlike Windows 10, the taskbar is less customization. Customization. Customizable. I'm sorry. Solutions: install third-party tools like Start 11 or Explorer Patcher. Number 4, peripheral issue. Printer scan problem. Some device may not work properly after upgrading. Solution: reinstall or updates driver. Run the printer troubleshooter. Number 5, random freezes and crasher. Some user report unexpected system freezes. Solution: update BIOS, check drivers, and apply the latest Windows updates. Other important updates. Windows 11 integrates Microsoft Teams directly into the taskbar for easy communication. It introduced widgets that show new weather and calendar updates. Windows 11 has a more secure architecture with TPM 2.0 and secure boot requirements. Windows 10 still receives security updates and bug fix until 2025, making it safe for users who can't upgrade yet. Microsoft is focusing on hybrid work and productivity tools, especially for students and professionals who use multiple desktop and multitasking features. Conclusion: both Windows 10 and 11 are reliable operating system, but they serve different types of user. Windows 10 is best for older hardware and people who want familiar and stable experience. Windows 11, however, is the is the future of Microsoft operating system, offering modern design, better gaming support, and stronger security. Na users should upgrade to Windows 11 if their computer meets the requirements, but those Windows 10 can continue safely until 2025. After that, an upgrade will be necessary is to ensure security and compatibility. Thank you. This is my presentation. Again, I'm Jericho Fernandez, BSCS. Thank you.